Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have their pre-owned 2015 Honda Accord Crosstour. This one is the V6, or Crosstour, I'm sorry. This one's the V6, four-wheel drive. I think that's how you open the back, but it might not work when the car is on. Honestly, I don't know what that is. Not bad. Not a bad car. Like I said, this one is pre-owned, but in absolutely mint condition. Comes with all the books and manuals. The V6 has a ton of low down torque. It is honestly very impressive. Now keep in mind, this one's pre-owned, in mint condition. If you didn't look at the odometer, you would not think it had 99,000 miles on it. It is that nice, and it drives great. Now sometimes I'm a little like 100,000 mile car. I think everybody has that misconception where it's like, oh, 100,000 miles, it's junk. No, that's not true. Hondas are meant to run forever. And this is no exception to that. As you can see, you have a manual mode. Also have sport mode. You know, what I really don't understand is why people don't use an on-ramp as an on-ramp. You know, by the end of the on-ramp, you should be going highway speed, not 40. I do like that camera. It's only on this side, the passenger side, because the driver's mirror has a little, you can kind of see it in the mirror. That line, that's a blind spot mirror. I mean, you can look over your shoulder and see exactly what's there anyway. Oh, Audi, why'd you do that? Why'd you put the brake lights down there? Oh, that looks awful. Oh, wait, I think it's because of the rule, federal mandate that it can't be on a movable piece and then have enough room on the edge. That probably makes sense. No, it doesn't make sense. It's the same reason why the Ferrari California brake lights aren't those top circles. It's because that is where the top goes. So if that piece moves, then it can't be a brake light. Brake light can't be mounted on that panel. Something like that. That's why trucks don't have brake lights on their tailgates. This is honestly really man, I don't get why people are like, oh, 99,000 miles, it's gonna blow up. No, it's this thing drives great. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.